This video is going to be on making a backup and restoring a backup in ThunderPOS. Um, in order to make a backup, after you log in, you'll just go under System Administration here and then to Backup Database. If you've never made a backup before, you'll notice the backup location is blank. Otherwise, it'll have the last location you made a backup to filled in automatically there. We're just going to browse to somewhere on this PC to make it because I don't have a disk in or anything. But you could, and we recommend having an external drive. It doesn't do you a lot of good to back up a database to your local drive and then have it not work if the whole hard drive gets corrupted. Like most of the causes that would need you make to restore to a backup, you'll want to have it off the computer. We really recommend at least getting it out of the store at least like once a month, more often if possible. So we'll just hit execute here. This is a very small backup. It'll only take a moment. It'll tell us backup was created. And that's all there is to it. If we get browse to that directory, which again, right now it's just in the root of C, and we take a look, what we're looking for, ThunderPOS, and then it'll have the year, month, day, and the time of the backup. So as you can see here, we made it at 12:33 on July 6th, 2018. Um, Now, if you need to restore a backup, uh, you just browse to the file. Only administrators can restore. Anybody can make a backup, but only administrators can restore it because it will obviously overwrite your old database. So we'll just browse to it, point to that file, and then we'll just hit execute. It's going to automatically make a backup before it restores, and then it will restore the backup and restart the program. So at that point, it will be on the backup that we had made seconds prior. Um, if you're restoring a backup and it doesn't work for some reason, it's quite likely that it's from a different version of the database server. We now install 2014 by default. It used to be 2008. We can make that work. You just will probably have to talk to support. That's pretty much all there is to it, but I will show one other thing. The setting for, I gotta type in the password, right? The setting for under system administration and then settings automatically remind me to make a backup under store information. That's simply going to, if you say yes that you want to do that, it will just take you to the same screen that you get to by going to system administration and then backup database. So either way will work. Either one will reset the timer here, unless it's on every login. Um, but we just make sure you recommend you're getting backups regularly, that you're getting them off the computer, and if at all possible, outside of the store entirely.